In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a button in Zoho Creator. If you find this video useful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it. First, head over to the Zoho homepage by navigating to their website. Zoho offers a suite of cloud software for businesses, making it a versatile platform for your workflow needs. As you arrive on the homepage, you'll notice a Sign In button. Click on that to log into your Zoho account. If you don't have one yet, you may want to create an account first, but for those who do, simply enter your credentials to move forward. Once you've logged in, you'll be directed to Zoho Home. This is your central hub where you can access all the various Zoho applications. Find and click on Creator. Zoho Creator is a powerful tool that allows you to build custom applications without any prior coding knowledge. It's designed to be straightforward yet highly functional for business needs. Following this, you'll need to select the application in which you want to add the button. Your list of apps can be found in the dashboard, so select the one that you've been working on or that fits the current project you're tackling. After selecting your application, look for the Edit button, which will allow you to modify your application's interface and features. Once in the editing mode, focus your attention on the Workflows section. Workflows in Zoho Creator are essential. They automate processes and bring about efficiency. Whether it's sending an alert or conducting a complex computation, workflows help manage operations seamlessly. Next, within the Workflows section, we'll be adding a custom action using the Deluge script. Deluge, Zoho's scripting language, is what makes Creator more programmable. It's intuitive and simplifies the expression of business logic, letting you create buttons that execute specific scripts seamlessly. Here, you'll craft the script that is triggered by your new button. Don't worry if you're not a coding expert. Zoho's scripting environment aids you with prompts and suggestions, making it easier to develop your desired functionality. The script might involve a particular command you need to run or an operation you want to carry out automatically with a single click. That's it. You've successfully added a custom button in Zoho Creator. The process we followed together has expanded the capabilities of your application and streamlined your operational tasks. Feel free to test the button within your application to ensure it works as intended and makes your Zoho experience even better. Thanks for tuning in and happy creating.